How to create a calendar event with saved configurations. Enter the event title. Enter the start and end date and time. If applicable, select all day or recurring event. Remind participants if desired. Enter the correlating client or matter the event pertains to. You can also enter a location. Enter notes if you wish, as this is an optional field. Enter the event owner and bill for their time if necessary. Click Add an Attendee if you would like to invite other people to the event. You can bill for their time too. Lastly, add a tag if you would like. Toggle Save Above Configuration as Default to save the event configuration. This will save the event details that have been entered as the default for this Matters events going forward. If saved, the values will pre-populate each time the event form is opened. Clicking on Delete Default Configuration will delete the saved configuration permanently. Selecting Clear Form Fields at the top of the modal will clear the pre-populated event details for this event only.